Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Visa gift card to Cash App. First, open Cash App and tap on the bank icon in the bottom left corner. Look for the option to add cash and tap on it. Enter the amount you'd like to transfer. You can also tap the three dots to enter a custom amount. Once you've chosen the amount, you'll be taken to a screen to link your payment method. Now, enter your Visa gift card details like your card number, expiration date, CVV, and zip code. After entering the details, tap Link Card. Your Visa card will now be linked to Cash App. Cash App will then transfer the amount you selected from your gift card. And that's it. That's how to add Visa gift card to Cash App. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.